Hi, I'm Mel with Visit Norfolk with Norfolk, Virginia and the Convention and Visitors Bureau. We're part of coastal Virginia. We are right next to Virginia Beach and below Williamsburg. And we are known for the world's largest Navy base, Naval Station Norfolk. We are a Navy town. We have Battleship Wisconsin, Douglas MacArthur Memorial, which is a 5-star Army general that's in a Navy town, Chrysler Museum of Art. We have Virginia Zoo. We offer tours, great tours for students and seniors year-round. Our largest group event is the Virginia International Tattoo, where we host over 150 performers from 7 to 8 different countries every April. We get about 200 tour groups that come to it for our annual event. And beside me are two great Norfolk partners that work well with Norfolk that provide a whole complete tour.
Hi, I'm Ronnie Stevens with Venture Tours. We are the area's predominant motor coach carrier. We have a very diverse fleet of coaches, starting with the 27-passenger Little Red Trolleys and right on up to the 81-passenger double-decker coaches. We offer sleeper coaches, executive coaches, and we throw in a few regular passenger coaches here and there. We service the entire coastal Virginia area, as well as Richmond, Washington, D.C., the Baltimore airport area, and North Carolina down to the Outer Banks.
Hi, my name is Simone. I'm with Spirit of Norfolk. We are part of Entertainment Cruises. We're the largest harbor cruise company in the nation. In Norfolk, we get the luxury of cruising year-round in our beautiful harbor. We're docked right in the heart of downtown Norfolk, and we cruise out on the Elizabeth River. Our passenger accommodations are 410. We're most known for our lunch and dinner harbor excursions that last 2 to 3 hours, but we have a host of specialty cruises that we offer year-round, like our Harbor Fest Fireworks Dinner Cruise, our Crab Leg Fest cruises, our Gospel cruises, and new this year we've added our Christian music cruises, so come check us out.